Cue the surprise guest at the dinner table. Hiccups! Ever wondered why they crash our parties uninvited? Here's the science behind it. Hiccups are sudden contractions of the diaphragm, that flat muscle separating your chest from your abdomen. When it spasms, you take a quick breath in. Immediately, the vocal cords snap shut, creating that familiar hic sound. But why do they happen? Often it's due to eating too quickly, consuming spicy food, or drinking carbonated beverages. But sometimes they're just nature's way of reminding us we're human. Now, how to stop them? Try holding your breath, sipping water, or even a spoonful of sugar. Remember, if hiccups persist for more than 48 hours, consult a doctor. Hiccups? Annoying yet intriguing. Stay curious till the next hiccup of knowledge.